All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I want to show you what we need to be doing this week on MobyMax. I've logged into my student account. As you can see, it says in progress on both of them because today during our Google Meet, I was explaining it to the children that were on. So I'm going to post this for everybody else to be able to see. If you look at this is lesson test on energy, and this is energy. So we're working on third grade skills to be able to get up to fourth grade skills. We did the second grade skills before Christmas. So if I click on the one that doesn't say the energy, you're going to see on here the lessons that needs to be completed. Potential and kinetic energy is Monday's lesson. Then on Tuesday, you're going to come over here and you're going to take the test on that. So if I go over here to the test, then I should see the test on potential and kinetic energy. And as you can see, Ms. Haycraft has already completed that, and I have a 75% on that. Once again, I want to say we did this during the Google Meet. So if I've got that done, that's Tuesday's work. So if I go back up here to my home, I know that if I go back to energy, that's my lessons on being taught. And I need to continue to go through. It's not going to let me get to Wednesday's work or Friday's work until I get finished with Monday's work. But you're going to jump back and forth because I think that's going to be easier for you all if you jump from actually learning about potential and kinetic energy.
Is a stretched rubber band an example of energy?
Okay, once again, I want to say that these microphones here, they will read the questions to you. And it's going to ask you questions. And as you can see, when I got on here, it held my place because I was actually on problem 5 when we were looking at it in our Google Meet. So whatever you click and click next, you're going to see if you get it correct or not.
An example of energy because it is able to do work. Energy is not always doing work or changing its environment. Energy can be stored, ready to do work later, like when this boy stretches the rubber band.
You can take notes in your notebook as well because that's going to help you on your tests to give you ideas. This is going to be building. We will get to fourth grade content, hopefully next week, at the end of next week, if not the following week, on energy. Making sure that we understand it all, but you have to get through all of these and it will give you a grade. When you finish with this, it will give you a grade at the end, at the bottom of it, just like the test do. And I'm not sure if it allows you to see the test, but as you can see the test over here on this. I get a printout on how many seconds it even takes you to do this on my teacher's account. So when I'm seeing 5 or 6 seconds, there's no way I can even read the problem in that. So please make sure to at least listen or to read because these are going for the grade book, and our next report card, the ending of the grading period is January 22nd. You will be receiving grades, and some of you aren't going to like the grades that you're getting. I've been sending the grades back to you on the email, or you can see your grades on here on the ones that we have done before. So I hope this helped a little bit. When you are finished, this is Friday's work. So you are taking the test on this. You'll have another one that will pop up. Let me check my... Yes, it will be a test over changing energy. Okay, so that is the test. That will be what you do on Thursday. And by Friday, you should have, when you go back here, all of this should be gone. All of this should be gone. So, with that being said, as you can see, the test, the last day to complete that is January 7th, which is Thursday. In the energy, the last lesson on how does energy travel, you'll have a test on Monday over this lesson. So we're going to keep going. We're going to do a lesson and then a quiz on it. A lesson and a quiz. Please, 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 I'm going to stress again, Make sure you're doing your very best on these and trying to learn as much as you can.